Hello students, welcome to my channel. This video deals with one of the most important topics of grammar, that is active passive voice. I have taken some sentences from lesson 1, A Letter to God, which is from First Flight, Standard 10. So let's convert sentences from active voice to passive voice. From this height, one could see the river and the field of ripe corn dotted with the flowers. The river and the field of ripe corn dotted with the flowers could be seen from this height. I hope you remember that we need to change the verb into past participle form. Whenever we change it into passive voice, the verb form will be always in past participle form. Lenju showed not the slightest surprise on seeing the money. Now let us see how we convert it into passive voice. Not the slightest surprise was shown by Lencho on seeing the money. Send me the rest since I need it very much. The rest should be sent to me since it is needed very much by me. Here we can see that the sentence has two parts and there are two verbs, send and need. So we should read such sentences very carefully and we need to change the verbs into past participle forms. Here send has been changed into sent and need has been changed into needed. But don't send it to me through the mail because the post office employees are a bunch of crooks. Let us see how we convert it into passive voice. But let it not be sent to me through the mail because the post office employees are a bunch of crooks. So you might have noticed that according to the sentence, we have different sentence formations in passive voice. At the post office, he placed a stamp on the letter and dropped it into the mailbox. Here also you can see that there are two parts in the sentence and we need to change each and every verb into past participle form. So let's see the passive voice. At the post office, a stamp was placed on the letter and it was dropped into the mailbox. So here the verbs are was placed and drop has been changed into dropped. The following Sunday, at daybreak, he began to write a letter which he himself would carry to town and place in the mail. The following Sunday, at the daybreak, a letter was begun to be written by him which would be carried to town and placed in the mail by himself. So here also there are more than one verb and that's why we need to change all the verbs into past participle form. I have tried to include different types of sentences so that you can get enough idea about how to make the necessary changes when you convert into passive voice. This is a simple sentence. I need 100 pesos. 100 pesos are needed by me. Never in his career as a postman had he known that address. Never in his career as a postman had that address been known to him. Here, many of the students get confused whether they should use here to or by. But in such sentences, we should remember that we have to use the preposition to because the action has not been done. So, I hope you are clear that here we have to use preposition to. There's no one who can help us. Let us see passive voice. There's no one by whom we can be helped. So here we have seen that who will be changed into whom. The hail has left nothing. Nothing has been left by the hail. A plague of locusts would have left more than this. Let us say passive voice. More than this would have been left by a plague of locusts. So, we have seen different types of sentences and different formations in passive voice. I hope you will be easily able to convert active sentences into passive ones. I have also discussed about direct and indirect speech, as well as active passive voice from so many lessons of your text. So please go through those videos to get more information about different types of formations. If you liked the video, please like and subscribe my channel so that you can get the latest videos. Thank you for watching the video.